Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what magnifying glass means for your task and why you need one now. If you need simple 2x10x handheld magnification, go straight to a hardware or optics retailer. Once done, call ahead to confirm stock. Make sure to ask about lens diameter and magnification factor. You'll save time. Bring cash or card, a small bag, and a quick measurement of the object you'll inspect so you can compare lens sizes in person. At the store, inspect available models and test them on your object. You want both clarity and comfortable field of view. Try 2x for reading, 5x for detailed inspection, and 10x for tiny features. Remember, higher magnification reduces viewing area. Once you've tried, make sure to compare glass versus acrylic lenses. Glass resists scratching and gives better clarity, but acrylic is lighter. Check handle ergonomics and any coatings. These choices affect durability and how long you can use it without fatigue. Finish the purchase and test the magnifying glass right away on a nearby object. Confirm there's no distortion or scratches. If something looks wrong, return or exchange immediately while the store can process it. Once home, set up proper lighting and hold the lens at varying distances until the image sharpens. Most focus by changing lens-to-object distance. If it remains blurry, clean with a microfiber cloth and lens cleaner. If the problem persists, use the warranty or swap the unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.